Hey, it's Tom Gallagher. Another video of the story behind the car. We're with Steve and his 1986 Grand Wagoneer. Steve, wow,
Thanks.
Amazing vehicle.
Thanks.
Can you tell us about it, how long you've had it? And
We bought it in 2015. We're the third owners.
Okay.
It was originally in Southern California. That guy had it most of its life. It was California emissions. The second owner
this
had
is here?
No,
Okay.
just I was putting
Oh,
north.
okay.
Yeah, so it's a California emission vehicle. All the emission stuff's gone now.
Okay, good.
The second owner had it for about 5 years, and we got it in 2015. He had the engine rebuilt. He had the guys pull the emission stuff off. They took the plastic that had died, tanks, washer fluid, coolant, replaced those. They put the Edelbrock aluminum intake and rebuilt the engine with an Edelbrock Performer cam and Edelbrock covers. I upgraded the ignition to the HEI, and I put that's a Ford Cobra air cleaner. Snorkels both hooked up, the holes were there. And they had the transmission rebuilt, and it didn't even need anything. They ended up reusing the clutches. They just put new seals in it, yeah. It's got about 140,000 on it now.
Yeah.
We put about 30,000 miles on it.
And I'm going to keep walking around.
The guy that sold it to me, they had moved, and the only place he had to keep it was in a barn, and he knew the mice would get it, so he didn't want that to happen, so he's put it up for sale. So it's honestly, it's my turn to take care of it. Because the interior's original, the paint's original, the wood grain's original, the wheels are original, the floor mats are original.
Wow.
I added the fuel injection so the controller is there under the console that I built because there's no drink holders in these things.
Okay.
Yep. Well, there's the two on the glove box that are meant for sit still and drink your.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't drive down the road and eat your food and drink your meal.
Yeah.
So.
At the drive-in or whatever.
Yep.
Wow.
The interior on this color is honey, which is a little rare. With beige, which isn't super rare.
That's actually my flyer there.
Is it yours? Okay.
Yeah.
The other thing I learned is 86 is the first year for this grill, which they call the final edition grill.
Okay.
It was also there's a vertical trim
Okay.
of this stuff here and at the back that started in 86. So this has the early wood grain. It was built in September 85. So it's got the new grill.
Okay.
And the smooth side. And 86 was the first year for the AC controls being integrated into the heater control.
Is that when they had two different separate controls?
It's still a factory under dash air. They never got away from it. But up through 85, the controls were down there. You had to turn the heater off and then turn the AC on. These have integrated controls, so it was the first year for that. So 86 is a little bit of a weird year, and this is a little more weird because it doesn't have this, because it was built so late.
Yeah.
Or really, September 85 is, early. So
yeah. Just gorgeous.
I changed all the rubber around the glass. That's how we confirmed that it's never been painted.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, look at even it's just not banged up.
Yeah.
But the tires tuck in. I built these. We took a trip to Glacier National Park in Montana. I knew we were going to be on gravel roads, so I built those before we left, and they're clamped to the fender because I didn't want to drill any holes in it. Now the bumpers, the guy before me re-chromed the bumpers and the grill assembly. The bumpers aren't supposed to be chrome.
Okay.
Leave it to Jeep and AMC. It's a 5,000-pound vehicle that they put aluminum bumpers on. So they were anodized and then clear coated, and then that always looked terrible because anodizing dies.
Yeah.
So he had them re-chromed, even though they weren't supposed to be chrome. I like the look of it. I don't know that I would have spent the money. Yeah, we've been to all those places. We earned those stickers.
Yeah.
It's getting a little, dead from the sun.
Yeah.
I think maybe in California it may have been in a carport.
Okay. Oh,
where the
because
sun may have hit it more.
Yeah.
Yep. So.
And what is the Select Track?
That is one of the versions of their four-wheel drive. So originally it was full-time hubs, and it's a vacuum-operated switch on the dash. So the whole time you're driving, the front wheels and axle and drive shaft spinning, and then you flip the switch on the dash, and when it engages, there's a light that comes on that says four-wheel drive, but it's vacuum-operated, so it takes a while for it to engage, and all that does is put power to the front drive shaft. But they used about 4 different transfer cases. One of them was the, I'll think of it in a minute. One of them had a viscous coupling, and you could not put lockout hubs on it; it would burn up the transfer case. The other one was the Quadra-Track.
Okay.
That was used earlier, and that had a switch in the dash.
And I can open
yeah,
the
go
back?
ahead. Yep.
Wow.
Seat folds down and removes. The little thick carpeting on the back of the seat.
Well, the interior is like it's never been.
I built the console for the back seat too, just to have power ports, you know, for USB. The headliner has been redone. It was done by somebody in California by the original owner. It was done really well.
Okay. Yeah, the back of the seats just look gorgeous.
Yep. It's got the luggage cover.
Oh, okay.
Still.
Yeah.
The retractor's dead, but
Solid.
Solid, yeah.
Like a refrigerator door.
Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning.
And so you take it on the road. You don't just take it to car shows.
Nope. We've put the year we went to Glacier, we put over 9,000 miles on it just that year. Just in the summer. I don't drive it in the salt because it'll rust. But we've been to indoor car shows a couple times. We've been to Jeep Fest in Toledo, Ohio, all but 1 year. That's a 6.5 hour drive one way.
Yeah.
And we're throttling it there and then hammering to get back home. This was done by the owner before me.
Previous, yeah.
So yeah, this was redone. So this would have been chrome. This is aluminum.
Okay.
He paid for the plastic chroming, but these are supposed to be anodized aluminum. These are the original.
Oh, okay.
Seb Markel lights. I had it. The silver had died on so I had a decal made. It's not done very good, but it looks better than just a black cover.
Yeah.
But those are original.
Well, thank you so much for showing us. Just a beautiful, beautiful vehicle.
Here's with the hood down if you want to.
Well, Steve, thank you so much for telling us the story behind the car.
You're welcome. We love it.